Wagwan, Wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, I'm beautiful people. So if you're new, I am a Jamaican living in Australia. And as you can see, I have a beautiful backyard garden here. And so I'll be adding two things today to the garden which I've never planted before. And the first one is, let me show you, lettuce. So lettuce here, this variety, there's so many different varieties. So this will be the first time planting lettuce, you know what I mean? And this one, what's good about it is that it grows all season, as you can see, in every season, but it mainly best in the cooler weather. You know, too much sun is not good, but it loves a lot of sun at the same time. So, and also this one, the second one, is rocket. I never knew of this until I came to Australia. So this one is new for me. Have you ever tried it? Let me know. Good for salad as well, and I think it's good for the blood and things like that, health benefits and things, and also good in all seasons. So this is another plus, you know what I mean? So I can grow these all year round, and I'll be trying these this morning. And yeah, so that's what's up. And with that, I have these growing mix, premium, so suitable for most plants, and I would assume it would be suitable for these. So I have 2 bags of these, and I'll be putting them in some containers and growing these. So yeah, wish me luck and see how these turn out. Yeah, yes man, let's go. Even though it seems like it's about to rain, so I might have to speed this up. I love lettuce, so I'll be starting with the lettuce first. In here, that lots of small seedlings. You can look at those seeds. See how tiny they are. Scraping out a little section. And the rain is coming down as well. Oh, the rain is coming after. Gonna have to maybe cancel for people, but let's get the lettuce in first. Alright, so we did a good amount there. Still have plenty in here, so the rain is coming down, so I don't want to stay in it. I'm just gonna cover up these. Perfect timing with the rain. Then the rain stopped actually, so that's a good thing. And by the way, it's 1,000 seeds you get in each packet. 1,000. Time to get the rockets in. I don't know why they have that name, but there's another name for them as well. I forgot. Something like Arugula. You can see those little things dropping out. All rocket. I'll definitely be going to space after all these rocket. Going through, covering up. rocket here, lettuce there. So I sow the rocket seeds and also the lettuce on Sunday, and this is Tuesday. So take a look at this. I already have a rocket pushing up. Focus camera. All of these that you see in our rocket, like literally that's what, 3 days from Sunday morning to Tuesday morning. Literally that's how fast they come up. The lettuce not as yet, but I'm really surprised how fast the rockets shoot up. Yeah man, so definitely soon we'll be seeing them flourishing. What are you doing? What are you blowing on my shoulder, eh? What were you blowing? I will catch you again. They caught you. They caught you off guard. One smile? Hmm? You're gonna make me cry. Give me a smile. Oh wow. Okay. Hi Mama Koshi.
Island gentle, darling. Gentle.
Amok
Please.
style.
Gentle.
One pushy bad, Nisa data we me no. One pushy bad, Nisa data we me no. And if I wanna no fit you, and if I me I no for you. One pushy bad, Nisa data we me no. One pushy bad, Nisa data we me no. One pushy bad, Nisa data we me no. And if I wanna no fit you, if I me I no for you. Woo!
Bobo
Smile.
Island.
Look my smile. I have something new again to add to the garden, which is radish. First time I'll be planting these. And yeah, so these takes like 4 to 6 weeks to harvest after sowing. So they are a very quick crop. So I'll be putting them in here, and that is that. So let's hope for the best for people. So this is not even half of the amount of seeds that comes in the pack. So yeah man, just be using these though.
Dad,
Yeah.
you have to wear this.
Yeah,
It's a mask.
I know.
You have to wear this.
Look how they look blue.
I'm going to do it tomorrow.
Gonna be covering all of these up until I see no more. They're very easy to spot because they're blue. Ask me why, I don't know. Now the next thing I have is spring onion. So I'll be putting in this spot right here. So that is that. Let's do this. And that's the scallion seed, otherwise spring onion. Just gonna spread them out. Then just mix them in. here I have some pak choy as well. So just put a few in here till I get some more containers. Yeah, man. Evening settings, and so I come out here to water the plants, and surprisingly I find something in the garden. Well, two things, and the first one is just take a look at this. So this right here is what you call dragon fruit, right? These planted them 8 months ago, and for a while I've been watering these, and I didn't even take notice of what these are until they reach this size. And I would assume this is the blossom, you know, that will be turning into dragon fruit. You know what I mean? So I'm really excited at the moment. I can't believe it. So these are 8 months old. My wife brought them here. Got them from the Gold Coast. You know what I mean? So I'm really happy and excited, and I showed my wife them and she's excited about it as well. So, and yeah, 8 months ago as well is when I tried dragon fruit for the first time, and I fell in love with it. So, you know, first time planting it, the same time that I tried it as well. So imagine that, you know. So yeah, man, beautiful plant, and this is the result. I can't believe it. So we have one here, 2, 3 right there. That is that, and there's some more here as well that doesn't have anything as yet. But yeah, man, it's a good look for people, and you can see I even have an okra tree in the same pot. Now I'm going to show you the second thing that I have in the garden that I'm very shocked, and I have no answer to this. So if you all can help me with this. So we are going to go over here where I have the taro, otherwise dasheen, and this is what I'm very clueless about. I have the pumpkin all wrapped up on it, but my people, explain this to me. So this is the dasheen, and these things are these things spring out of it. I'm trying to focus this camera, it's not doing me justice. All right, so these things spring outside of it, and I have no idea what these are. I've never seen it before. Yeah, let's take a look at that. Very clueless to what it is. That's what it looks like. Yeah, man, so that's it for today's video, my beautiful people. Stay tuned for more content from the garden, you know what I mean? Bless up, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and follow the journey. It's Island Boy Africa. I'm out.